Now, still on that, I want us to look at the default arguments. Earlier, we mentioned that we need to include all the parameters that you define for the function are required by default. In this lecture, I'll show you how to make the number 2 parameter optional. Let us say you want to multiply all numbers by 4 by default. So we define the parameters and then have value. That's default value for the second argument. So let's define that. So we have this def multiply num1, num2 equals to 4. That's the default value. Return number 1 times number 2, then multiply 3. So now if we run the code, we'll see well, the second argument as 4 by default, even though we did not define it. We have managed to make number 2 optional. One thing to note is that if we do not supply the second argument, the program will use the optional parameter that you define for the program. So when you define the optional parameters, let them come after the required parameters.